Hello, my dear students. I, Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University, Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you on course Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic Biogeochemical Cycle, Nitrogen Cycle. So let's start. This is the content which I am going to discuss with you in brief. Form of nitrogen, role of nitrogen, nitrogen cycle. So let's start nitrogen cycle. First of all, we discuss what will be the form of nitrogens: urea, ammonia, ammonium, nitrate, nitrite, atmospheric nitrogen, organic nitrogen. We also call organic nitrogens ammono acid. Role of nitrogen. Plants and bacteria use nitrogen in the form of NH4 plus or NO3. It serves as an electron escaper in anaerobic environment. And last, nitrogen is often the most limiting nutrient in soil and water. So the role of nitrogen is what? Plants and bacteria using nitrogens. It serves as an electron escaper in anaerobic environment, and nitrogen is often the most limiting nutrients in soil and water. The nitrogen cycles consist of four stages. One, nitrogen fixation. Second, ammonification. Third, nitrification. Fourth, denitrifications. So we will start discussing one by one. Atmospheric nitrogen, that is N2, is converted into ammonia or nitrate. Atmospheric nitrogen is all about 78% of our air. When atmospheric nitrogen N2 is break, it forms ammonia, NH3 and nitrate NO3. It is one of the nature great ironies. Okay? Nitrogen is essential component of DNA, RNA and protein. Majority of the air we breathe is nitrogen. Yet most living organisms are unable to use nitrogen as it exists in the atmosphere. So we call it is a great ironies. First stage of a nitrogen cycle is nitrogen fixations. In this process, two strong nitrogen molecule found in atmosphere is break into single atoms, so they can combine with other atoms. When two nitrogen atoms is break and they can combine with other atoms, then nitrogen fixations is happen. Nitrogen get fixed when it is combined with oxygen or hydrogens. Free living bacteria is the example of nitrogen fixations. What happen? Highly specialized bacteria live in the soil and have the ability to combine atmospheric nitrogen with hydrogen to make ammonia NH3. Okay, so free living bacteria live in the soil and combine with atmospheric nitrogens with hydrogens and form NH3 ammonia. Symbiotic relationship bacteria. These type of bacteria live in the roots of legume family plants and provide the plants with ammonia NH3 in the exchange for plant carbon, and it protect home. Second stage is ammonifications. Bacteria decomposes, break down ammonia acid into ammonia. In ammonifications, decomposal bacteria break down the ammonia acid into ammonium. Bacteria convert organic nitrogens to ammonium NH4. Then these ammonium NH4 is used by some plants. Ammonium NH4 is stored in soil. Where ammonium NH4 is stored? Ammonium NH4 is stored in soil. After nitrogen fixations, ammonifications, nitrification steps is happen. In nitrifications, nitrifying bacteria in soil combine ammonia with oxygen. As a result, ammonia NH3 change into nitrates. Nitrifying bacteria in soil convert these nitrites NO2 to nitrate, and at last plant absorbs nitrate NO3 and grow. With fourth step is denitrifications. In these steps, the conversion of nitrogens in the soil to atmospheric nitrogen N2, thereby replacing the atmosphere. What happened? NO3 is converted into N2 atmospheric nitrogens, thereby replenishing the atmospheres. Atmospheres again regain the nitrogens. Denitrifying bacteria live deep in the soil. Okay, and in aquatic sediments where conditions make it difficult for them to get oxygens, these denitrifying bacteria use nitrates as an alternative to oxygen, leaving free nitrogen gas as byproduct. They close the nitrogen cycle, and as a result, nitrogen is again returned back into the atmosphere. This is the nitrogen cycles. Nitrogen present in the atmospheres. These nitrogens is nitrifying nitrogen fixing bacteria in the roots nodules of regiments use these nitrogens, and nitrogen fixing bacteria in the soils convert these nitrogens into ammonia with the help of nitrogen fixations, and with the help of nitrifying bacteria these ammonia is converted into nitrates, and with the help of denitrifications bacteria these nitrates is finally converted into the atmospheric nitrogens, which is released back into the atmospheres. Okay, so that's it from for the nitrogen cycles. I hope you like these lectures. We will meet you soon with the next topic. Till then, take care. Goodbye.